students. Today we will discuss about gas laws that derive from kinetic gas equation. Our kinetic gas equation is PV is equal to 1 by 3 m n c square. PV, pressure of gas, V is the volume of gas, m is the small m is the mass of gas, and number of molecules of gas, c is the root mean square velocity. From this equation, we want to derive Boyle's law. Boyle's law explains that temperature remain constant, pressure and volume are inversely proportional to each other. Volume of given mass of gas is inversely proportional to the pressure applied on the gas at constant temperature. This relation is derived from here. Beta PV is equal to 1 by 3 m n u square. It may be write like this 1 by 3 mu square. Sorry, c square. Molar mass is derived from given mass of gas multiplied by number of molecules of gas. So this equation may be write like this. Now right side of this equation is multiply and divide by 2. That is approximate equal to kinetic energy. Half mv square is kinetic energy. Here and velocity is root mean square velocity. So this equation may be write like this 2 by 3 of kinetic energy PV. Better according to eighth postulate of kinetic gas equation. Eighth postulate of kinetic molecular theory of gases. Kinetic energy is directly proportional to absolute temperature. To remove the sign of constant, it is represented by K. K is the constant of proportionality. So kinetic energy is this one. Putting the value of kinetic energy in this equation, better this is first equation, second equation, third equation. Putting it in equation 3. Putting it in equation 3. So equation 3 become PV is equal to 2 by 3 of Ke, Kt. K for constant of proportionality, T is the absolute temperature. Now, beta at constant temperature, it remain constant. PV is equal to constant because 2 by 3 and K also constant. Temperature remain constant, that will be considered, and these are automatically constant. So PV remain constant at constant temperature. This is known as Boyle's law. This is called Boyle's law. That means we derive Boyle's law from our kinetic gas equation. Beta first law is the Boyle's law. Second law is the Charles law. Second is the Charles law. Charles law also derived from kinetic gas equation, that is PV is equal to 1 by 3 mn u square. First equation remains same, second same. Second equation is multiply and divide by 2, that remains same. We will have third equation. And in the same way, according to 8th postulate, kinetic energy directly proportional to temperature or absolute temperature. Removing the sign K, K is the constant of proportionality. Then putting the value of kinetic energy in equation 3, in place of kinetic energy we will put kT, and up to this Charles law remain same. Only slight change here, that is according to Charles law pressure remain constant. According to Charles law pressure remain constant. This fourth equation may be modified as by cross multiplication, that is V is equal to 2 by 3 K upon P into T. Beta 2 by 3 constant, K constant, and pressure remain constant. At constant pressure, V is directly proportional to T, or V upon T remain constant. This is called Charles law. At constant pressure, volume of the given mass of gas is directly proportional to temperature. This is known as Charles law. Beta, from kinetic gas equation, we will derive our laws. That is the Boyle's law, Charles law, and Dalton's law of partial pressure. Also, beta, one of the law, that is the Gay-Lussac law. Gay-Lussac's law of gaseous pressure, or Manton's law. That is also derived from kinetic gas equation. Start from kinetic gas equation up to this point, it remains same. We only change this last terminology, just like that. PV is equal to 2 by 3 of kinetic energy. Kinetic energy directly proportional to absolute temperature, so it is kT. Now our equation is PV is equal to 2 by 3 of kT. Beta, in Manton's law, volume remain constant. At constant volume, P is equal to 2 by 3 K of T. 2 by 3 and K remains constant. So P directly proportional to T at constant volume, or we can say P upon T remain constant at constant volume. These three laws are derived from kinetic gas equation. Beta, Avogadro law is not derived because Avogadro law is depends only upon the number of molecules of gas. Volume of the given mass of gas is directly proportional to number of molecules of gas that are not need to be derived from here. And last one is the Dalton's law of partial pressure. Dalton's law is also derived from kinetic gas equation, that is beta, in case of for Dalton's law. As the name indicates, Dalton's law of partial pressure. We want to calculate partial pressure of each gas present in the gaseous mixture in which none of the gas is chemically reactive. We derive this equation as 1 by 3 mn c square upon V. Suppose our gas have two gases. Gaseous mixture contain two gases. First gas, that is 1 by 3 m1 n1 C1 square upon volume remain constant because it is present in gaseous mixture that is in common vessel. Volume remain same. For second gas, it is 1 by 3 M2 N2 C2 square upon V. Volume remains same. Total pressure of gaseous mixture is P1 plus P2. Partial pressure of first gas, partial pressure of other gas. 1 by 3 M1 N1 C1 square upon V plus 1 by 3 M2 N2 C2 square upon V. 1 by 3 upon V remain constant, or we can say 3V M1 N1 C1 square plus M2 N2 C2 square. Beta, this law is known as Dalton's law of partial pressure, that is in the form of kinetic gas equation. Thank you.